What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Panasonic Eneloop Quick Charger AAA. Okay, let's check it out. So you guys can see Panasonic Eneloop. It comes with 4 AAA batteries, ready to use rechargeable battery, perfect for controls, mouse, computer, remote controls, some phones. It's an auto voltage charger, AC 100 240 volts, capacity up to 800 milliamps. It's a quick charger, charge 4 AA and AAA batteries in up to 3 hours. 80% or more. We had the 20% and 80 and the 20% or less. 4 individual LEDs indicate remaining charge. So you can see it comes with the 4 AAA batteries, and the actual charger holds 70% charge up to 10 years. Recharge up to 2100 times. Factory charge with solar energy. Nice. Let's see in the back. Maintains up to 70% charge of after 10 years of storage. 1 year is 90%, 3 years is 80%, 5 years is 75%, 10 years is 70%. Quick NIMH battery charger, speed and precision all in one. Let's say what it says in here, so you guys can see, you guys can read now. Hopefully you guys can see it. Okay, nice. Let's try this. Let's open it. Okay, let's open it. Let's see what's inside. There you go. As you guys can see, it comes with the instructions. Comes with the charger. Look at that. Panasonic BQ-CC55. All plastic, lightweight. We have the power to plug it in. Okay, so you guys can see, check it out. Very nice. See the batteries. Oh, it comes with this little card. Okay, these are actual batteries, as you guys can see. Check that out. AAA. Panasonic Eneloop. We have 4. As you can see, check that out. Goes right here. Okay. We have the one in the middle is for the AAA, and the one outside is for the AA. Nice. Very nice. Check that out. We're gonna connect it in a little bit so you guys can see the LED. Let's open the 12 pack AA's. Okay. Let's open it. This is the AA's. You can use the same charger for it. Okay, check it out. Eneloop, Panasonic AA's. Nice. Very nice. Okay, To use the AA, you have to remove the AAAs, and this is how you charge the AAs, as you guys can see. Very nice. Let's remove all the AAAs. Let's insert the AAs. Okay, check it out. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect it and see the LED. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, now we're gonna try the quick charger with the AA and AAA batteries. Please be careful, be safe doing this. As you can see, right here we have the power to connect it. Okay, let's plug it in. There you go. As you can see, this is the LED light right here. As soon as I put the battery, it's gonna tell you if it's red, orange, or green. Okay, let's try the AA battery first. So you can see it's scanning, and it's orange right now. It's halfway. Okay, let's try the AAA battery. So we're at the end. Let's place it right there, scanning, and it's orange because they come pre-charged. As soon as it turns green, that means that it's all the way charged. Okay guys, there you have it. Please comment below, like, share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later guys.